Financial markets can feel confusing when users are faced with unfamiliar terminology, changing prices, and large amounts of data. AlphaJetSynergy presents a platform designed to reduce this complexity through clear educational materials, intelligent analytics, and professional guidance. One of the central AlphaJet Synergy features is its learning content. The website explains common financial concepts such as long positions, short positions, spreads, leverage, volatility, and margin. These explanations are presented in simple language designed to help users build a stronger foundation. Understanding these concepts is important because they can influence both opportunity and risk. For example, leverage may increase potential gains, but it can also increase losses. AlphaJet Synergy also highlights AI-powered market insights. These tools are designed to help users review real-time information, identify possible trends, and organize decisions through a data-based process. No AI tool can guarantee correct predictions, although structured data may help users improve their research process. The platform also states that more than 300 professional-grade features are available. These resources are presented as ways to support analysis, account activity, and platform navigation. Another important feature is specialist support. AlphaJet Synergy describes personalized guidance available on demand during the working week.